How to apply for warehouse jobs in UK 2025. So here's a simple guide for you. Simply go ahead and search for apply Amazon job warehouse jobs UK, and then here if you scroll down, there will be a site that will look like this that reads job at Amazon warehouse job. So simply go there. It will be jobs at amazon.co.uk. So after you scroll down, you'll have to accept all the cookies, and then here you can see all jobs right here as well. Also, you can do anything according to your wish. So you'll have to enter your mobile number and your postcode, and then you will be able to go. So you can also go to Amazon jobs as well. So go there, and then when you see job opportunities for you, you will simply press on find your next job, and then here it will require you to enter your postal code. You can press on skip. You can see how many hours you want to work in a week, so you can go for full time or anything according to your wish. Simply press on next, and then you can also go for permanent and fixed term job plan. So select according to your wish, and then here you can see if you enter your mobile number and postcode, you can see you'll get job alerts as well. So you can see different jobs in this list. So here are different jobs, job description for you if you select any of the job. So here for every of the job available, you can simply go ahead and press there and then apply for that. So I pressed on one, so you can see different Amazon benefits, and then different all need to apply. You can simply go ahead and contact them. So you will have to enter your mobile number and postcode, and then press on sign up for job alerts. Follow the prompts, and then you can easy to go simply by pressing in this apply section. So once you press on apply, it will redirect you towards the job section. Simply follow the prompts and you are good to go. So that's how you do it. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.